Hello everyone. So I just primed my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, but I did not set my lids with I didn't set the concealer with any loose powder. I just let it dry while I did these little hands or whatever. So, you know, they should be completely dry. Like, it should be completely good. So now I'm gonna do some real simple. I guess I'm just gonna use my Morphe palette. Hopefully the copyright police don't come at my neck today. But what am I gonna do first? I really don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm just gonna wing it, honestly. Use this as a transition color. Got my nails all dug into it. I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics 129 brush. Look at that pigment though. Hold on. Anywho, this is an angled brush from Wish.com that I'll be using. I will be taking the red color on top, that falls below the transition color, and put it in my crease. So that got chopped off, but I'm going to put it in my crease, and I was actually preparing myself to do a halo eye, but I changed my mind because I'm like, wait, I don't got time for that. So, and I was honestly already starting to sweat a little bit, and it's like, yo, I am so sorry guys that I'm not looking as matte as I should be in these videos, but it is hot, okay? But this day wasn't even that hot. I don't think it was that hot. I've filmed videos in which it was hotter, but anywho, I was just, you know, just blending that shadow into my crease in circular motions for the most part, you know. And now I'm getting this other color from the Morphe 3502 palette. It's called Halo. And as you can see, it looks like I'm starting to do a halo eye. But then I was like, never mind. And because, you know, I was just pretty much patting it in my outer corner, in my outer V, and, you know, blending it around. But then I changed my mind, and I was like, let me just use the whole lid. So of course I'm using the wrong brush to like apply it onto my whole lid. I was just using a blending brush, which is weird, but it is what it is. What is up everybody? We are back with the finished face. This is hours later. Oh, I took a nap earlier. But because I went back and looked at my footage and it looked a little too blurry, and I'm like, that's not good, so I'm taking a lot of stuff out probably. But anywho, I have the Fenty on my cheeks. I use this. Oh shoot, my eyelashes are coming off. Let me stop. But anywho, I got the Fenty Mean Money and Hustler Baby. I use mostly Hustler Baby on my cheeks and, you know, bridge my nose and all that. Yo, I'm starting to sweat right now for real. Oh, and I got the Milani Amore Matte lip cream, well, metallic lip cream in the number 13. Its name is Overdramatic, because sometimes I am overdramatic. So, but yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video, and stay tuned for my next video. This is
talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind.